easiest way to place new parts in your project is to use our quick search. Now you will have a lot of results. They are sorted to commands, simple symbols, parts, and also macros. The choice is up to you. For here, I want to choose a macro, and there you simply double click on it and it appears to your cursor. If you don't want to use a macro, feel free to select a single part and place it into your schematic. You're also able to expand your potentials up to the next page. You could copy it from there or simply go to the next page and place it straight from our command line. And also on this page, you are able to place your new symbols and parts. If you don't know all the specific descriptions and names of all the symbols, you are also able to use our Symbol Explorer. In the Symbol Explorer, we have a lot of libraries where you can choose from a lot of symbols.